What do you need for you to take up that final risk of the year on a property journey to home ownership? This Shori for Deals has just what you need. Follow the lovely spaces on this video, see yourself in every corner of this house, and have faith that this could be yours. I mean, this is how you get impeached out of success if you delay to make that move. We are moving in faith, and even better, the flexible payment plans and investment plans for our rental income buddies, where you can get a tenant for this and start earning immediately. Look at the lighting, just perfect. This 2-bedroom apartment is conveniently located in Ruaka, just 25 minutes to Westlands, with amenities like a pool and a gym, kids play area, all to make your living comfortable. From 7.5 million, you could just be the new homeowner. Do enjoy the video and tell me on the comment section what you think about this house.